Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about manifesting and how to achieve your ideal reality. Have you ever found yourself trying to control the external world, hoping to achieve your ideal reality? I used to be like that too. But then I had a breakthrough moment that changed everything for me. I realized that I can't control the external world, but what I can control is my internal world, and that's what changes the external on my behalf. So, here's the thing, forget about the external world. Don't worry about when or how your ideal reality will happen, or if it will happen at all. What matters is the feeling of it, the feeling that it's already happened or happening right now, in your inner reality and in your mind. When you focus on feeling that feeling as deeply as you can and holding on to it for as long as you can, you won't care if it actually happens or not, because in your internal world, it's already happened. You'll be too busy feeling good about feeling it to even look for it in the external world. Let me give you an example. Let's say you want to buy your dream house. Instead of trying to control the external world by demanding that the homeowners sell it to you, focus on your internal world. Imagine that you have an agent who is in charge of speaking to the homeowners with you. Your job is to pay attention to your emotions, to feel as though you already have the house, and to let your agent do the work in the external world. Before you know it, the external world will match your internal world, and you'll get the house. Remember, your job is not to change the external reality. You're not fit for it, and you'll never be. Your only job is to pay attention to your internal reality and your emotions, and it'll do all the work on your behalf in the external world. So, how do you do that? By focusing on the feeling of your ideal reality and exploring that reality inside yourself. Your aim is not to clutch at the feeling as though it will fade if you let your guard down. Your aim is to feel it and enjoy it, to explore that reality inside yourself. The external world is a shapeshifter. It's nothing to take seriously, nothing to get stressed out by, nothing to even take into consideration. Your home and your place of origin is your internal world. That's where you truly belong, and that's where you're truly living every moment of your life. So, the feeling is the secret. And the even bigger secret is that the feeling is all there really is. The external will eventually mirror your internal, but never let it be vice versa. Your job is to reign over your inner world, and that is all there is to it. It is all internal. Remember, don't care when it'll happen, how it'll happen, or if it happens at all. Only care about the feeling, about feeling it as deeply as you can and holding on to it for as long as you can. And before you know it, the external will match your internal. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.